it's Joy with Enjoy It Healthy, and I'm so excited to introduce you to my brand new line of ancient grain mixes. Okay, so why ancient grains, you ask? Well, most of us use all-purpose flour. It's readily available in the store, it's easy. Most recipes call for all-purpose flour, but it is completely stripped of its nutrients. It's been hybridized and modified, and as you probably know, it's causing a lot of different issues like digestive issues and allergies and weight gain and all kinds of stuff. So we tend to kind of avoid that or use it as a treat. Well, this is about 15 years in the making. I've experimented with pretty much everything from einkorn, spelt to rye. I mean, almost you name it, I've tried it and tried to work with it in recipes. Well, I've come up with a one-for-one replacement. I'm using Corson wheat or kamut and einkorn wheat, and it's the perfect blend that you can use cup for cup in your favorite recipes. So, you can buy a lot of stuff out there already milled, your spelt flour, your rye flour, teff, or whatever it is, and it's difficult to use, right? I mean, you either have to have a specific recipe or you have to do so much experimentation and waste the product. You just really have to know how to use it. Well, I came up with something that you don't have to worry about knowing how to use. You can just use whatever recipe you want. I mean, I've tried it with everything from pizza crust and cakes and cupcakes. I make croissants and pasta and muffins and cookies and puff pastry. I mean, I made a vegan puff pastry, and it was delicious. So I have made it easy, and you can get more information from my website, which is enjoyithealthy.com. I'll put it below. If you have any questions at all, email me at info@enjoyithealthy. I've also come up with a cookie base mix and a pancake and waffle mix. So it's just going to make it easy to boost the nutrition in any of your recipes. All right. Well, stay tuned, because on this channel, I am going to show you a bunch of different recipes on how to use it. Some will be my own, some will be the genius of other chefs, and I hope you will subscribe if you're not already, and check out my link below to my website. Thanks for watching.